Hey designers, in this video, we're going to create a seamless transition in Adobe After Effects. Let's get started. First, open After Effects and import the two videos we'll be working with. Go to Import File and select the videos. One is of the city, and the other is of the mountains. Import both and drag them onto the timeline. You might notice the videos appear low quality, but that's because the preview is set to quarter resolution to make it easier to work with. Now, let's pre-compose the videos. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to pre-compose them and then press OK. Double-click on the pre-composed layer to open it. The height of these videos is 720p, but we need to double it to 1440p. Go to Composition, then Composition Settings, and change the height to 1440p. Next, move the mountains video to the top and align the city video at the bottom. The first video to show on the screen will be of the city, followed by the mountains. To start, rotate the mountain video. Select the mountain video, press R for rotation, and set it to 180 degrees. Next, move the mountain video closer to the city video. To merge the two videos smoothly, duplicate the city video by pressing Ctrl plus D, and drag the duplicated layer to the top. Select the duplicated city layer and use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle over the sky area. It doesn't need to cover the entire sky, just a portion. Press M to reveal the mask properties. Go to Mask 1 Properties, and increase the mask feather. This will help blend the two videos. Position this masked layer exactly where the line between the city and mountain videos is visible. Adjust the mask as needed to achieve a seamless merge. Increasing the feather should make the transition smoother. Once the visuals are perfectly blended, select all the layers and move them to the center. To remove the black borders at the top and bottom, go to Composition, then Composition Settings, and decrease the height of the composition until the black borders are gone. Select all the layers and manually center them if necessary. Once done, return to the main composition and fit the composition to the screen. Align the pre-composed layer to the bottom, where the city is located. Preview the composition to understand where the transition should occur. At this point, we will animate the rotation. Next, select the pre-composed layer and press R for rotation. Click on the stopwatch next to rotation to set a keyframe. Move a few frames forward and set the rotation to 180 degrees. Preview the animation to see the city transitioning into the mountain area. Select both keyframes and press F9 to ease them, then preview the easing effect. To refine the easing, open the graph editor and adjust the graph for a smoother transition. To eliminate the black areas, go to Effects and Presets and search for Motion Tile. Double-click to apply it to the precomposed layer. Set both the output width and output height to 200, and check the Mirror Edges option. Finally, preview your animation to see the seamless transition in action. Lastly, turn on motion blur for the precomposed layer to enhance the transition effect. And that's it, you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.